stop. Don't translate. Don't think. Just listen, and repeat after me. For the next 5 minutes, don't worry about perfect English. Just relax and copy what you hear. Every sentence you repeat today will help you speak more naturally tomorrow. Stay with me until the end because today's lesson will prepare you for a real conversation at the doctor's office. Ready? Let's begin. Listen, then repeat. Good morning. Good morning. How can I help you? I have an appointment with Dr. Smith. Certainly. May I have your name, please? My name is Alex Brown. Thank you. Please have a seat. The doctor will see you soon. Thank you very much. Listen, then repeat. Hello, I'm Dr. Smith. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. What brings you in today? I haven't been feeling well. I'm sorry to hear that. Let's see how we can help you. Please tell me about your symptoms. Listen, then repeat. I have a headache. I also have a sore throat. When did it start? It started 2 days ago. Do you have a fever? Yes. A little. Have you been coughing? Yes. Sometimes. I understand. Let's check you carefully. Listen, then repeat. Please take a deep breath. Good. Now breathe out slowly. Open your mouth, please. Say, ah. Very good. Your temperature is normal. Your lungs sound clear. Everything looks fine so far. Let's continue the examination. Listen, then repeat. You have a common cold. That's good to know. You should get plenty of rest. Drink lots of water. Take this medicine twice a day. Avoid cold drinks. You'll feel better in a few days. Thank you, Doctor. I appreciate your help. Listen, then repeat. Can I go to work tomorrow? I recommend staying home for one more day. Should I eat anything special? Eat light and healthy meals. Can I exercise? Not until you feel better. I understand. Thank you for the advice. Listen, then repeat. Here's your prescription. Thank you. Where can I buy the medicine? There's a pharmacy next door. Great. How often should I take it? Twice a day after meals. Perfect. I'll follow your instructions. Have a speedy recovery. Listen, then repeat. Thank you for everything. You're very welcome. Take care of yourself. I will. Have a wonderful day. You too. Goodbye. Goodbye. I already feel more relaxed. I'll be back if I need another checkup. Excellent work. You completed today's doctor conversation. Every sentence you repeated made your English stronger. Keep listening. Keep repeating. Keep speaking. Small practice every day creates big results. Watch this lesson again tomorrow and speak a little louder. Before you leave, go to the comments and type just one word. Fluent. I'll see you in the next shadowing English practice. Bye.